Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are the private exchanges that large institutional traders, such as big banks and hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it will often cause people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our real-time elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can much more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. You could see that NFLX, which is Netflix, pops up here. Today is Thursday, September the 14th, with an over 200% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So what our AI technology is detecting is that typically only about $1.1 billion of Netflix stock is traded by larger institutions, think big banks and hedge funds, in private exchanges over the previous average of 7 days. Today alone, it was $2.3 billion. So it's more than $1 billion extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the larger market makers. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. It's important to get access to that information early. That's why we follow the private exchanges where most of those larger transactions will take place by the people who can make them. And that's why we use machine learning technology and AI to be able to identify at lightning speed at 8:28 a.m. more than, well, actually right at about an hour before the market opened. Hey, there's almost 4 times the average amount of institutional private exchange bearish pressure there. So what people can do at tradealgo.com is they can either see that right there at the top of the main dashboard when they log in, or they can get the assistance, extra assistance of some helpful tips and tricks from our lead analysts, 934, saying, hey guys, pay attention, Netflix is on the red side of the board. So if we go to the TradeAlgo options chain on Netflix, you could see a nice list of triple digit winners here. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $405 put option. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the 15-minute candle. At the very beginning of the day, options were about $2.50. And then by the end of the day, up 140%. It's not about squeaking every single last percentage out of it, though. It's about getting the information down here using fast AI-driven modern technology as opposed to hearing about it over here on much more outdated retail sources and outlets. There's 140% to be made in between. Maybe you made 100%, 80%, 50%. That'd be fantastic. 85% of the heavy lifting was already done, and you're getting helpful alerts throughout the day using this technology. And it wasn't just Netflix, there are many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's take a look at maybe one or two more. Let's take a look at Carvana on the trending upside of the equation. You could see CVNA right here with the 350% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So no surprises that the stock makes a nice 13.5% jump. Again, what our AI is detecting is that usually there's only $224 million of institutional private exchange volume over the previous 7 days. Today was nearly 800 million, so hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No surprises this is making that move. If we go to Carvana on the alerts tab, you can see that at 8:13 a.m. a clear signal came in of 1.79 times that bullish pressure. And if you were to have done options, on the call side of the equation, you could see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. Let's say, for example, that you had done either the $54 or the $55 call option. There is plenty of daily volume and open interest, but these two in particular have the most. So let's say, for example, you had done the $54 call option. We're going to go take a look at the 15-minute chart. At market open, these contracts were about 27 cents. At its maximum, that's an almost 1,300% return. Again, it's not about squeaking every last penny out of it, though. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until, almost a bad spot around 10 a.m., and then maybe you got out at a bad dip over here. That's still a 141% return, still more than a double. Get your information with TradeAlgo down here. Stop getting it over here after it's already moved. We also go even a step further as to send very easy actionable alerts to our users. So for people who are busy with work or maybe are new to trading in the market, we send out very clear-cut alerts. There was a huge signal of institutional bullish volume in JP Morgan yesterday. So we sent out this alert. So this would have been September the 13th, and you can see JPM, the September the 22nd, $150 call option, entry, stop loss, target prices, and comments. This morning, we were closing that alert out at some of it at a 65% return, letting people know that we're going to take a trim here and move up our stop losses for proper risk management. And then, of course, finally exiting it out at a 100% return this morning for a nice overnight swing trade of a triple-digit return. Congratulations to all of our users who are sharing success stories with us, saying things like, man, up 85% in profit from that JPM call from yesterday. Congratulations to this user who made a 100% return. This user who was making money on both ways, up and down, and then this user as well, making a triple-digit return as well. We don't have time to share all the success stories. These are just a few key highlights. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.